All right. First Alert meteorologist Whitney sitting on the desk, ready for our First Alert forecast. We have big changes on the way, so I'm just going to enjoy today.
Yes, get outside and enjoy. I told our nanny today, get the kids outside, run them wild, because we're going to be inside for a couple of days. Let's take a look at what's happening outside and what we're watching right now. We are looking at some high fire danger thanks to this upcoming system. Rain and snow is on the way and some cold temperatures midweek, but it is very dry and warm to start this week. So the wind picking up. The wind is what we're talking about today, but there are some other things on the way this week that will be the talkers soon enough. So starting to get gusty outside in many areas. So because of that, not quite that windy yet in the southeastern part of the state, but it's really going to pick up soon. We do have a red flag warning in place through 6 o'clock tonight. So gusty, dry, very warm in this part of the state today. So fire danger is high ahead of our next system. This happens a lot when these areas of low pressure and the cold fronts are approaching. It gets very gusty. So we do see that fire danger really increase. So our area of low pressure is sinking down towards our area. It's pulling in this Arctic air from Canada. So this one's going to pack a bit more of a punch in terms of the cold temperatures. And then that settles with us and sticks in Colorado. And then it quickly moves on by Thursday. But we're going to cool off as we head into Tuesday. We get even colder on Wednesday as this system passes through. So right now there's a little bit of moisture, and you'll notice all that dark gray there. That is some cloud cover in the area. So again, rain on the western side of the state. We'll take it. We love this moisture. And as we take a look at what's happening in the high country, we have winter weather advisories starting late tonight, going through Wednesday morning. Almost all of these will expire before noon on Wednesday. So most areas looking at about 4 to 8, 5 to 10 inches of snow. So that is great news for us. We desperately need it for the high country. We want these ski resorts to start opening up. So there's a good shot of snow coming our way, really from late night tonight through Wednesday morning. Front range eastern plains, we'll see a chance of some moisture coming our way, most likely on Wednesday. So future cast for tonight, we'll continue to see some rain and snow in our mountain areas. It's just cloudy here in Denver and some wind. And then we have that moisture build as we head into the overnight hours. By Tuesday morning, that rain and snow is going strong in the high country. And then we continue to see moisture as we head into Tuesday morning. Eases up a little bit, but then there's more out there as we head into Wednesday morning. Sticks with us through Wednesday. And then Denver will have a chance of moisture too. It is looking less likely that Denver will have accumulating snowfall. Plus, remember, it has been so warm, so the ground is warm itself. So it will take a while for that anything to stick. If we do get anything, it'll be very light accumulation. 69 in Denver right now, 79 in Boulder, 75 in Fort Collins, 60s, 70s out east. Later today, 78 in Denver, 77 in Boulder, close to the 90s out on the southeastern part of the state, 86 in Lamar today, 50s, 60s in the high country. Ooh, I don't know what just happened there, but it was moving around on us. And as we take a look at what's happening for our Super 7-day forecast, Wednesday is a first alert weather day for us because we have the chance of rain and snow, and it's much cooler out there. 62 on Wednesday, so the cool down begins, but the big cool down is Wednesday. Plus, it will be our first hard freeze of the season. We talked about this last week, blowing out your sprinklers. You might want to get that planned soon enough if you haven't done it yet. Cold in the high country in the low double digits. 27 here in Denver, 20s out in the eastern plains. Halloween, though, looking dry but cool with 58 degrees as our high.
All right, Lauren, thank you.